Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. So let me show you how to make the MCP function of Aimogen work if your website is behind Cloudflare. So if you are using Cloudflare and want to use the MCP functionality, you might be encountering issues because I added here a website that I own, and I want to test it. I write for this MCP start. The MCP configuration is not covered in this video. For this I have another video, check that one. Here I only covered the Cloudflare issue. So I have started the Cloudflare MCP start here, and the script here says that Cloudflare blockage detected. So this error was added in the latest version of the Aimogen extension MCP server plugin. So this blue message was added. Then if you have an older version, you will see only unauthorized 403. So how to fix this issue? And let me show you this right now. I will go into Cloudflare settings for the website where I have MCP configured in Aimogen. Go to security rules, click this, and here click create rule, custom rules, and add a name. In the field here, select URI, URI. Leave wildcard, and here in the value you will need to enter exactly this. So I will add it also in the video here. So /wp-json /aimogen-mcp v1 and star. So this is exactly what you will need to add here. And here, very important, in the choose action, select skip. And also very important, select everything here, click more components to skip, and select everything from here also. And afterwards you will need to click deploy here. I will need to move my image out of the way for a second. Click deploy and move me back there. So I have here this wildcard rule which allows MCP connections to this URL of your website. This is the URL which MCP uses. And now let's try again. Hit MCP start and we will see what will happen. This time the script should work. So let's see, waiting. And in a couple of seconds we should see successful detection, test connection, simple ping test, and debug monitoring, and it's working. So it is working now. We can stop this now. Okay, so this is how you will be able to make MCP work in Cloudflare. Give it a try now. Aimogen is linked in this video description. Also the MCP integration extension is linked there. Check that, and you will be able to use it to access functions from your website in multiple AI tools like Cloud Desktop, ChatGPT, and many more. Thank you for watching. If you have more ideas, suggestions, let me know in the comments. If you have questions, let me know in the comments. This is all for today. Like, share, subscribe. It's really appreciated. Bye bye.